On December 16, 2024, late at night in Lake Bluff, Officer Rosenberg spotted a car with an exhaust that was too loud, exceeding the legal noise limit. He signaled the driver to pull over. The car slowly came to a stop after a long distance. Inside was a woman driving, Janelle, and a man sitting in the back seat. When the officer approached, Janelle appeared calm but somewhat confused. The officer announced the reason for the stop. Your exhaust is too loud, which is illegal.
No.
No insurance for the car?
No.
Okay, no worries, no worries. Do you have a license and ID on you? What's up? He's shaking his finger. No, I do not. You do not? You don't have a driver's license, ID, anything? Okay, no problem, man. No problem. Whose car is this?
It's mine. I just bought it.
Oh, you just bought it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What are you guys doing? Just going out for a drive?
No. It's because he hit me up. He's like, I want to go home. So I picked him up.
Okay.
That's it.
Cool. So I'm just curious. Where do you live, man?
North Chicago.
Oh, you live in North Chicago. So you're driving? You're driving him home to North Chicago?
What?
You're driving him home to North Chicago?
No.
You just said he hit you up and you were going to drive him home.
Yeah. But we're just cruising around because I can't sleep.
Oh, you can't sleep. Okay. Cool.
No, yeah.
It's dark out. You guys are driving circles through a neighborhood.
Right? No. That's why we were just cruising around talking.
Nothing.
Because I met him in high school.
Oh, you met him in high school?
24.
Okay. How old is he? How old are you? Oh, you're 25.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah. So we met and then. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Fair enough.
You could check everything.
23.
Yeah, I will. Just
Okay.
give me. I'm just waiting for my other guy to get here. It's late.
That's good. Thank you.
Yeah, no big deal, man. Yeah, cool. Where are you guys coming from? Just out of curiosity. I know you said you're
I live in Beach Park, but I'm always in Waukegan.
Okay.
And everywhere. All my friends are there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. I got you. Give me 2 seconds. I'm just gonna
of
have
course.
this dude hang out. Okay.
Yep.
It's 2 people. Just watch the guy over that.
Okay.
I'm not gonna come out anyways. Because when I pulled him over, he started tugging shit out of the seats. He is drinking a beer in the front here. So I'm gonna talk to him about that anyways. But I'm just gonna run it real quick and see what's going on. Just keep it in there. That's what's going on. Yep. Hey, can you do me a favor, quick? Can you come talk to me in the back of my car real quick?
With who?
Can you come talk to me in the back of my car real quick?
Yeah.
Hey, question.
Yeah.
Just a question for you.
Yeah.
You got anything to drink tonight?
No.
Nothing?
No.
No? Okay.
No.
You seem a little bit out of it, that's all.
What do you mean? Okay. No, it's okay. No.
No, you just...
Okay.
Yeah.
No, okay. You think I'm drinking?
No, I didn't ask you to drink it. I said, have you anything to drink? And
I said no.
okay. You just seem a little out of
And
it.
it seemed
Yeah.
point. That's it.
Okay.
I said no.
Yeah. I see. Here's a weird question. I thought you were an Uber, maybe. Why is he in the back seat and you're in the front? You know, it's just weird. Is there any reason?
No, it's because
It's not-
I dated his brother.
It's not
so-
illegal. It's not illegal.
It doesn't matter. Why? I'm not
yeah.
gonna talk no more.
You don't
I
wanna talk anymore?
plead the fifth. No, I'm not gonna.
You plead the fifth?
Yeah, I'm not talking no more.
All right, sounds good.
We have drugs. Anything?
You have drugs, you said?
No, I said, do we have drugs?
I don't know. Do you have drugs?
No.
Okay. Just stay right there for me?
Yeah.
Thanks. Just don't move.
What's that?
Huh?
What's that?
I said, oh my fucking God, it's cold.
Well,
Hey, Janelle, are you aware that... So, you're the driver of the vehicle, okay?
Yeah.
So, are you aware that you're responsible for, like, what's in the vehicle? You can't have open alcohol in the vehicle and things like that. You can get a ticket if your passengers are drinking in the car. Are you aware of that?
Fuck it. Yeah.
Where are you going?
wait, come here.
Where are you going?
Okay, do whatever you have to go. I want to go.
Well, I know you want to go, but
Okay.
right now there's a
Okay,
couple things.
give me a ticket. That's it.
Where are you going?
The fucking car.
Okay, where
I'm
they're
not
at.
gonna stay out here. Can you go in your car?
No, stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. Calm down.
Calm down?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're
What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up is I turned on my lights. It took you guys forever to pull over. He started bouncing around the back seats. What's in the car? Is there anything in the car?
No.
Okay, I mean, because I'm gonna look.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead.
You don't mind? All right,
I don't care.
Stay right here. Can you stay right here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Stay right here. Okay. She said go ahead.
The whole thing. His idea?
No, I already asked him, and he already hit the mirror, so I'm gonna come out. She gave me a consent search. Please go ahead.
It doesn't
Ask him for that.
No, I'm talking.
Hey, man. Hey, you can come out real quick, okay? She gave me consent to search the vehicle. I'm gonna search the vehicle. So you're gonna go first. Well, a couple of reasons, but she gave me consent, so that's why I'm doing it right now. But also,
Is there any reason why he doesn't want to get out of the vehicle?
Yeah,
Stop talking to me.
there's open beer in the back, and he's got no seatbelt on, so he's getting the ticket for that.
Just do me a favor. Keep your hands out of your pocket right now. Thanks.
Your turn, Diana?
Ya no hablas con ellos. Ya,
Si te agarras con algo, no diga nada.
ya no.
Come on over here, man. Come on over here. Walk over here. Come in here.
Do you have a lighter? By
I
any
don't.
chance?
If I had one, I'd let you use it. I don't have it.
Bro, this is giving me so much trauma, bro.
Hell yeah. Cover. What the fuck?
Come on over here. Is she getting sick? You okay? Are you gonna get sick?
No, it's because I get really bad anxiety.
Okay. Well, if you're gonna get sick, let it out. But like I said, this is anxiety-wise. This is a very low key. Okay.
That's why this is going on now.
What did you say?
Did you find was that an answer? Okay, come on over here for 1 minute. Come on over here. Put your hands behind your back. Okay, you're under arrest for PCS.
What?
You're under arrest for PCS. Possession of cocaine.
It wasn't my
Hey,
car.
hey, hey.
It wasn't my car. It wasn't my car.
Stop spinning around. You're under
It wasn't
arrest.
my car.
Stop
It wasn't
resisting.
my car.
Stop.
I
Don't do it.
switched with him.
Don't
Put
do
your
it.
hand behind
Stop.
your back.
Put your hand behind your back.
No.
Put your hand.
No.
Josh, you good?
That's twice.
That's not my
Stop.
car.
Stop.
It's not
Stop
my car.
resisting.
It's
Stop.
not my car.
All right, down.
It's not my car.
Down.
It's not my car. It's his.
On and off,
It's
man.
not my car. It's his.
Listen, just give him your hands, and then we'll cuff you, and we'll figure it out.
No, it's
You'll have
not
your
my
time.
car. It's his.
You'll have your time to talk.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Well, we're
Hold
beyond
on,
hold on.
you're hurting me.
Stop
You're
resisting.
fucking hurting me.
Then let-
Okay,
then
I'll
stop
chill.
resisting.
Okay,
Oh, shit.
okay. No, loosen it up. Loosen it up. It's not my car, bro. It's not my car. It's his. It's not my car. It's his. You found what though?
Coke.
He put it in there.
Then he's not a very nice guy.
He's not a very nice guy. Shouldn't be hanging out with him.
Exactly.
It's called possession of controlled substance. You possessed it.
You could test me right now, bro. I'm not doing
That's not what the charge is.
I'm gonna arrest him too.
Well, no, at this point, see.
I'm gonna pop her in the back and
Well,
go by him.
he's okay.
Okay.
There was no need for any of what we just did there. And we were being nice to you. I really wish you wouldn't have done any of that. Because that charge right there is resisting arrest. So that one's going to get you hooked up even longer.
I'm fine.
I know it's fine. I got that.
It's fine.
I'm just explaining to you that it's
It's
foolish.
fine. It's fine.
Okay. Hey, grab the rest of his info. Grab the rest of his info. Okay.
I'm gonna get charged for cocaine.
Yeah. And then we'll get you out of here and you probably go home for tonight.
That's,
somebody come pick you
that's
up.
not the case.
Okay. Well, whatever it is, we'll field test it and find out what it is, and that'll be that.
It's not my car.
I understood that. But it was in your property.
What a
With your
piece of
IDs.
shit.
So, I mean, I don't know what to tell you about that.
Can I please call my mom?
Yeah. When you get to the station, we'll let you call your mom. We'll call a
No,
couple people.
I need a car now.
Okay, that's not happening. When we get to the station. Now, why would you do that? You're going to wind up going to the hospital.
I don't care! I don't care!
Okay, all right, let's not do that. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Let's not do that either. All right, take her in the car. Let's go. Now,
You! I want to talk to my mom!
I've had enough. Let's walk. Let's walk. Let's walk. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do the same
Turn on the interior lights. We'll sit her in there and then I'll... No. This is going to be a problem. Undo the seatbelt first. Okay. Now.
Let me talk to my mom!
We sat at the station.
No, I don't want to do...
Watch your legs.
I'm not doing this shit here too.
Yeah, we got that. Yeah, we get that. That's 2 charges of resisting, by the way.
I don't give a f after this.
We're going to get you to talk to your mom. I'm going to take her back to the station. Have Lake Forest follow you. And then do the search there. Oh, I get it. Yep, we're trying to get you to the station. If you cooperate, things go a heck of a lot easier.
Please just go. Please visit her. Please just untether them.
Yeah.
A little bit.
We have to process you first. You're not demanding things. We told you we'd let you have a phone call.
Question.
You asked to call your mom, and we said we would let you call your mom. Just not right then.
Have my purse and my phone. Say yes or no.
Listen, I don't talk to you until you calm down. Why do you get so angry?
Because it's not my fucking car.
Like, do you think if you calm down and we talk about things, we can figure stuff out? Or are you just gonna go crazy on us? So you're acting.
You're not being mad about this. I didn't do anything.
Okay, well, you'll have your day in court then. Well, you're gonna act like a lady when I get you out of here.
Yeah.
We'll get everything taken care of. We'll get the handcuffs so they're feeling better. But you gotta go along with us, all right?
Yeah, I don't even been through this.
Kick your legs out this way.
As she was being taken into the car, Janelle began to hyperventilate, complained of anxiety, and then began crying, saying, "I just want to talk to my mom. Please let me call her." The officer explained, "You'll be able to call your mom when you get to the station." Now calm down, however, Janelle continued to kick and struggle, prompting the officer to tighten her seatbelt and remind her that she had been charged with a second resisting charge.